Come on, guys. We're gonna make an airplane part 2, and let's get started. Okay, let's do this. So, okay, throw it on there. Okay, so throw it on there. Fold. Yeah. So let's get started. Okay. Oops. Oh, that was awesome. That was cool. Was cool. So, yeah. Yeah, pretty much. There's not a lot of space. It would be better outside. So, this is part 2 for making airplanes. So, I'll do it the same thing by me showing you. So, you take this, do that. Do that. So I made it for you. I just made it cooler. Which one do you like better? This one? Yeah. It's the exact same one, but a different, let's say, upgrade. So, thanks for watching. Watch my videos. Please subscribe. I will make more videos coming soon. And have a good night, guys, and like it, please. And have a good night. Bye, guys.